minor. I love it. No matter what I choose to do in life, you're always right there beside me and my biggest supporter. You believed in me at times when I didn't really believe in myself. And I love the way you take a genuine interest in things that I care about. You're without a doubt the most beautiful person in the world, inside and out.
And get ready to make a whole lot of noise, because here they are, Robbie and Kirsty, the new Mr. and Mrs. Collins! We're married!
We're married!